Okay, hi. This is our system for the mini project, which is Yummy Food Restaurant. So, first of all, if the user wants to access the system, the user must log in first. So, if the user does not have any account, so the user must sign up now at at here. So, the user need to fill all the information. So if the user does not fill the information yet and just click sign up button, the validation message will be pop up. So the user need to fill all the information first. So just click sign up button and we go to the login and the user must put the username and the password. So after the user click login, so the user will go to the main page. So this is our main page for the Yummy Food Restaurant. So at this page, we put a menu, the hidden menu, add recipe, my recipe, the username, and the button for sign out. So at the bottom, it will display the list of recipe that have been uploaded to the system. So if the user wants to display the recipe, the user just need to click at the read more button here. So it will display all the information about the recipe, just like what is the name, food recipe name, food description, ingredient, comment, and so on. So for the additional function, we have create a rating function. So rating function is the additional function for our system. So the user just need to click to just rate the system, the recipe, sorry. So the average rating will be pop up here. So it will display how many users have rate and the average rating will pop up. And the other function, which is comment function. The user can comment this recipe, that is, and just click submit comment. So the comment will be pop up here. The username, which is Azam here, and the comment setup. So it will display again in this the same page. So the next is the user can create a recipe. It will go, if they click the add recipe, it will go to the add recipe page here. So if the user does not fill anything in the box, text box, so just click submit, the validation will be pop up. So firstly, the user must fill up all the information first. So the user can choose the file and pick from the computer. So the user just need to click submit button and the information will be displayed at the menu page. So if the user want to show the information, just click and it will display the name, the picture will be displayed and post by Azam, which is his username, ingredient, and also have a rating function as usual. Just click and it will display and can comment also. This comment. So the comment will be pop up here by this username, and one user has rate, which is Azam, and rating 3. So next, the user can click at my recipe menu. So at this page, it will display only the specific recipe from this user only. So for this page, we use a session function, a session coding. So it will display the specific ID, which is this ID from the user. So if the user want to edit or delete their own recipe, they need they just need to click at the read more here. So it will display all the information, and the user also can edit it. So if the user want to update, just click at the update recipe button, and the recipe will be updated. This will update, update, and the user also can delete by just click at the delete recipe button right here. And if they click, the message box will be pop up, which is, are you sure you want to delete this? If the user does not want to delete, just click cancel. And if the user wants to delete, just click OK. So it will delete it. So all the information will be deleted from the database also. So if the user click at menu, it also will be deleted because the data will be deleted from the database. So for this system, we have used a bootstrap for the bootstrap template to do the system. So lastly, if the user wants to sign out, the user just need to click at the sign out button right here, and it will go to the login page again. Okay, that's all for the system. And for the database, we have used three tables, and the name of this database, which is food recipe, and the three table, which is comment, food, and user data. So for the comment, the comment will be, all the data from the comment will be saved in this table, which is comment table, like this. And all for the food, all the information for the food will be saved in this table, which is food. If the user create a new recipe, so the information for the new recipe will be saved in this table, which is food table. And lastly, which is user data. User data will save the information from the user. So first of all, firstly, the user must create a new account. So all the information from the user will be saved in this table, which is user data. So I think that's all from our team. Thank you.